Hello all, welcome to my channel Bharath Fintech. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button for more easy to understand videos on investing and finance. Today, we are talking about financial ratios, tools that help investors understand a company financial health. In this video, I will go over 5 important ratios and will explain how you can use each one. Let's jump right in. First up is the price to earnings ratio or PE ratio. This is one of the most common ratios that investors look at. To find the PE ratio, divide a company's stock by its earning per share. Imagine two tech companies. If a company has a PE of 15 and other is 25, the one with the PE of 15 may be cheaper as long as everything else is similar. Next is debt to equity ratio or DE ratio. This shows how much debt a company has compared to its equity or shareholder money. For example, if company A has a DE of 0.5 and company B has a DE of 2, company B is more in debt, which might take a riskier choice. Now we have return on equity or ROE. This measures how well a company uses shareholder money to make profits. To calculate ROE, divide the company's net income by shareholders' equity. For example, if company C has an ROE of 15% and company D has an ROE of 5%, company C is better at using shareholder money, which may mean stronger growth. Coming to our fourth ratio, it is the current ratio, which shows if a company can pay its short-term debts. To calculate this current ratio, divide the current assets by current liabilities. For example, if a company has a current ratio of 1.5, it means it has 1.5 times more assets than liabilities. This represents good financial stability. Finally, let's look at earnings per share or EPS. EPS shows the part of a company's profit for each share. It's one of the best indicators of profitability. To find EPS, divide the net income by number of shares. For example, if a company E has an EPS of 3 rupees and company F has an EPS of 1.5 rupees, company E is more profitable per share, making it more attractive. Now let's see a practical example. When looking at a stock, don't just rely on one ratio. For example, a low PE might seem like a good deal, but if the company has a high DE ratio, it could be risky. Using all these ratios together gives you a better picture of a company's financial health, so you can make smarter choices. To wrap it up, here are the 5 ratios: PE ratio, DE ratio, ROE, current ratio, earnings per ratio. This ratio helps you understand your company's financial health so you can invest more wisely. Remember, investing isn't about guessing. It's about smart choices and careful analysis. If you find my content helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please do comment. Thanks for watching. All the best for your future investments.